Hi everyone, I'm Leslie Chan, 37 years old from Manila, and here's my video entry for Mega Prime search for the next Prime month. At this moment, I'm gonna share you this very quick and very easy. So we're going to use some eggs, tomatoes, green bell pepper, of course, our Mega Prime golden sweet whole kernel corn, together with our Mega Prime pieces and stem mashed. We're going to put some oil. Here's my simple omelet. To complete this meal, we're going to put this sweet chili sauce by Mega Prime. And if by faith I win, I will give support and share this to the Autism Society Philippines. God bless.